is a beautiful thing, and I enjoy doing it. It's a gift. It's not when you get it, you go somewhere and learn it. And when you go somewhere and learn it, it doesn't drive so much power in you to really do it, Sometimes certain things throw you off balance. But you see, when you get it as a gift, you enjoy doing it. Every hour you spend, every minute, every second, it's like you cannot stop doing it. You just have to do it. As long as you exist, as long as you live, you have to do it and you enjoy doing it. And so, sometimes some people say to me, if from the time I'm doing it, if I don't get frustrated, but I couldn't, because I enjoy doing it. It's lovely. And if I don't do it, I feel as if I'm not living. I have to do it.
So today we are back in Savlamar in the beautiful, majestic garden of Cadneil Patton. I tell you, the man garden is so calming, except for the bike them with the pass and the car them. But this garden is so well taken care of. The man spend every morning, make sure that him trees them properly cut, him garden well rake up and thing. And him say reuse and recycle. This is an old bath pan. Those are old garden rakes. These are all umbrella pole and all sort of thing. And the man garden is just love it. Really, really love it. But we're not come to talk about garden today. We come to talk about the amazing art that this man has on display. Self-taught. My mom said me say that. No, we have a whole reason with Cadneil and get some vibe about his inspiration and them art and thing.
When I started with art, music coming. And when the music coming, the art doesn't leave. Both of them link together. So when I'm not painting, I'm writing a song, I'm singing. To the way, even the blind man see. And I'm writing poems, and I'm designing, even building, and all those things, So I enjoy doing it. So I don't get frustrated when I'm doing it.
What come first? The love for art or the money where the art bring?
Tell you the truth, is the love for the art. I don't say that the money isn't important, because if you're doing art and you're not making any money, it's like it kind of discourages you a little. But, and again, most Jamaican doesn't appreciate art. If foreigner buy my work more, because the foreigner appreciate art more than Jamaica. The garden come like painting, they call it landscape.
Yes.
Because look now, you see, clearing the garden, cutting the edging, is like painting. Because but only one thing, it is not on canvas.
Right.
It's real.
Yeah.
So when you arrange the garden now and the flowers bloom and all those things, it's like a painting. So it's enjoyable seeing me.
Right.
Because when I'm not painting, I'm doing the landscape. This one we call it I never have a real title for it, but I would call it in the country.
Countryside.
Yeah, countryside. Well, I'm asking, I would say it's 1,000 US. This is 3.5 by 2.5. And that is in the country. It's a waterfall in the country. Yeah, this is another country scene again. This is going to the market. This is a lady going to the market.
Come from the countryside?
Yes.
Yeah. The bucket on her, with her pants on her head.
Yes.
I sell some banana or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, man. Yes, man. This is romance. I call this, you know?
Yeah. Lady well
Yeah.
lie down and wait for
Yeah.
the one to come in.
Yeah.
Guineas and thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Call it, you know? I call it temptation. Yeah, this one, this is the fall of Lucifer. Yeah, when he was dismissed because of his disobedience, of his way of like he want to overtake, you know,
Yeah.
and he was thrown out of the heavens, coming to the earth, you know, through his disobedience. When he want to take over.
Where you draw them inspiration, yeah?
Sometimes when you read the story, the power of art, you know, is when you get it as a gift and you read the story, you can just bring the story into a painting. So that's what it is, you know. You don't have to see it, you know. You can just imagine that it goes like that and paint it. It's easy, it's not hard. Well, this is, I call this waterfall, you know.
What kind of mental space do you need to be in to draw them kind of inspiration and bring it out in the art? What kind of vibe you have to,
You have to be in a creative kind of vibes. You know, you can't go in art in a kind of mental, like frustrated mind or perplexed, or you have to be relaxed. When you relax now, you're more, the power of the vision now is strong.
Yeah.
You know? But when you are perplexed now, it's like it's set into a state of confusion. If you even live in a community where there's a lot of noise and whole heap of quarrel and all them something, you have to lock yourself in a quiet space and dismiss all those what is happening around.
What kind of music you listen to get yourself feel ready?
I would say I listen to some classic and some gospel. I listen to some relaxing kind of, music that when you listen to the word is telling a story. This piece is devotion. It's a woman standing by a lake, like he's communicating with the Almighty, you know?
Yeah.
So it's like she in a relaxed and solemn and devotional and, conscious, meditative mood. This is underwater, because look now, I used to go out with my father was a fisherman, and I used to follow him go out, when he's going fishing. So I always take the goggles and look beneath the water, the sea. So when I see it now, remember that I don't have to look twice or 6 or 12 times. I just have to look once. You see, from the moment I look once, take a picture, a mental picture in my head, and I paint it. This now is another temptation because some people, when I went to Montego Bay with this painting, somebody, a person, a male was driving, right? And he was gazing on this painting, and he almost run into the NWC pump house. and you come and ask me, say, tell me something, how you manage to do this so real, man?
The one also now named Bedroom Bully. Yes, this name Love Mood, Love Scene, Sexual Healing,
Called Temptation.
Temptation Isle. Yes. Yeah, man, that's all the Temptation Isle, man. Hold on, let me show you the details in the art, yeah. Could they?
Broken line.
I can see all the braid in the hair. Really sting. She ready, you know.